In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly mute and unmute in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly handy during virtual meetings when you need to manage when your colleagues can hear you. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Teams website. Do make sure that you're signed into your account. You'll need to click the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details if prompted. This should take you to your Microsoft Teams dashboard where you can access all your meetings, chats, and calls. Once you are logged in, you'll notice a video camera icon, usually located on the upper part of the Teams interface. This icon allows you to start a video call or meeting, which can be a one-on-one or a group call. Go ahead and click on this video icon. Once clicked, it opens up options for starting or scheduling a meeting. Next, you'll want to click on Start Meeting. This option gets you into a meeting environment immediately, where you will see various controls for managing your call. This is the environment where you will make use of the mute and unmute feature. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this interface because during busy meetings, quick access is crucial. Now here's the key part. When you are in an active meeting, you might find the need to mute or unmute yourself swiftly. For this, Microsoft Teams provides a keyboard shortcut that makes the process seamless. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and the M key all together. This combination toggles your microphone on and off without you having to look for the microphone button on the meeting interface. It's a real-time saver and ensures you're not fumbling with controls when you need to speak up or stay silent. Remember, being able to control when others can hear you is essential in maintaining professionalism and managing interruptions. When you're not speaking, keeping your microphone muted helps reduce background noise, ensuring the meeting runs smoothly for everyone. And conversely, unmuting with ease lets you jump right in when you have something to contribute. Finally, practice this shortcut a couple of times to get familiar with it. It might take a little while to become second nature, but with practice it will surely make your virtual meeting experiences more efficient and manageable. I hope this simple method will enhance your Microsoft Teams usage and ensure that you can navigate meetings with ease. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.